Hello guys, we are going to make the next part of typing speed. The how we can use the right software to increase typing speed. While using software is an effective way to increase your typing speed or accuracy, this program provides structured lesson exercise games designed to improve your typing skills. Here are more efficiently used typing software to enhance your typing speed. Choose the right software. Select the typing software that suits your skill level and learning preferences. Some popular options including Typing Club, Fiber, and TypeRacer are looking for the software that offers lesson practice, exercise, and test. Start with the basics. If you are new in typing, begin with the basics and learn more finger placement on the keyboard and practice typing on the some home row keys, ASDF for the left hand and AJKL and for the right hand. Complete lessons. Most typing softwares offer structured lessons that gradually introduce your keys, typing techniques. Some of the lessons in sequence and they are designed to build your skills progressively. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Get aside time each a day to practice using the software. Regular practice reinforce muscle memory, improves your typing speed over that time. Focus on accuracy. Prioritize accuracy over the speed. Essentially, type slowly. Accuracy to avoid developing bad habits that could hinder your progress. Use proper postures. Maintaining proper ergonomic postures while using the keyboard. Sit comfortably with your back straight, raised, evolved, and finger placed on the home key. Practice key combination. As a progress, practice type common letter combination and word. This will help you to become more comfortable with more partner, improve your overall typing speed. Take a breaks. Don't overstrain yourself. That a short break during the practice session to prevent the fatigue or maintain focus. Use time test. Many typing software program offer a time typing test. These tests measure word per minute accuracy regularly. Take this test to track your progress. Challenge yourself with games. Many typing software platforms, including typing games, will practice more enjoyable. These game challenges you type to quickly, accurately, having a fun and engaging way. Review your performance. Most typing software provides feedback on your performance. Highlight areas that need your improvement. Pay attention to your weak point and practice those areas more. Get goals. Set achievable goals for yourself. For example, aim to increase your typing speed by certain number of words per minute while specific time frame. Review your mistake. If you make a mistake during the exercise, review them to understand where you went wrong. This will help you to avoiding the repeating the same errors. Using your improved typing skill in your everyday tasks such as writing email, creating document, participating in your online discussion. Remember that the progress time and variety and yourself gradually work toward improving your typing speed and accuracy. Guys, this is sufficient and our video is going to be sum up and we will meet in the next video. Please hit the bell icon button if you like the video, share the channel, subscribe my channel, and like and Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.